Okay, now good morning everyone. Now let's start our class, and now is the time for our SST class. Okay, and in this subject we have completed 2 chapters. Okay, and I hope everyone is studying the chapter, right? As we are completing the chapter, I hope everyone is studying and revising the chapter. Okay, you revise it and then you study. Okay, if you won't study, then it's not going to work. So you have to study. Sometimes you read the book, the chapters, and sometimes revise study the question answer. Okay. Okay, now yesterday we have completed in the life in the northern plain. Okay, in this topic we have completed about Punjab, Haryana, and then Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and now we are studying about our state, that is Bihar. Okay, we all know that its capital is Patna, right? Everyone, since we are living in Bihar, so we are very familiar with about our state. We know much more about our state than it is written in the book. Okay, in the book it is only a small paragraph. Okay, its capital is Patna, and Nalanda and Bodh Gaya are the famous tourist place. Okay, this one we already know. Then the famous language is Hindi, Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Maithili, and Urdu. Here the famous and here the spoken language are 5. Okay, Hindi, Bhojpuri, Magadhi, Maithili, and Urdu. These are the 5 spoken language in our state. And the famous festivals are Chhath. This is one of the famous festivals of this Bihar. Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Eid, and Durga Puja. These are the famous festivals of our state. And Bodh Gaya is the famous important pilgrim center of Buddhism. Okay, and this Bodh Gaya, okay, it is the famous pilgrim center. Okay, means the holy places for which religion? Of Buddhism. Okay, and apart from this, okay, we also know much more about our state. And I hope everyone knows about who is the Prime Minister, Chief Minister, sorry, not Prime Minister, Chief Minister, then Governor of our state. And this Mahatma Gandhi Setu, which is 5,575 meter long, okay, on Ganga River. Bihar is the longest river bridge in India. Okay, this Mahatma Gandhi Setu, okay, which is in near Patna. Okay, between Hajipur and Patna. Okay, that bridge is the longest bridge in our country. Okay, it is the longest bridge on the river in our country. So it is also a proud thing for us, right? Yes. And now you can see one picture of Bodh Gaya. Okay, this is temple in Bodh Gaya. Okay, one of the beautiful temple you can see, and it's this being designed very nicely. Okay, so we have completed about our state, right? Okay, now today's homework is you need to write one page about your state, that is Bihar. Okay, you need to write one page. It's not that only this, the small paragraph is there. Okay, because you are staying in Bihar, so you can write it much more about your state apart from this book. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Stay safe and stay at home.